Hello everyone, welcome to Gardening for Better Health. This is Henry B. 723 coming to you to say hello. I hope everyone there is well. We're doing well here. I wanted to share with you an update on some of the things that I planted. January the 16th is when I kicked off my planting season for the year. I planted several things. I planted several lettuces. I planted bok choy. I planted sorrel. And I also planted some Swiss chard. Everything came up. Everything is doing well. And it's been a really nice journey. Of course, I had to treat some things to make sure nothing was eating them. And if you want to know what I did to get these plants from seed to where they are now, check out my playlist that's on my YouTube channel. The name of the playlist that I have been using for this particular series is Easy Seed Starting and Growing. So I'll put a link to it here in this video, and it's also available if you go to my YouTube channel, and you can find that link with all of the videos in it pertaining to starting and growing these particular items. Well, this Swiss chard looks wonderful. When I start planning what plants I'm going to do for the season, I first look at which things do I really enjoy eating, and then I look at which things are the most nutrient dense, because I want to make sure that if I'm going to put some food in my body, it's the most nutrient rich thing that I can actually find that I also enjoy eating. So that's what I do. I think about what I like, what has the most nutrients in it, and then those are the things that I consider planting first. And that's what I did with the Swiss chard. Swiss chard is considered a superfood. It has lots and lots of vitamins and minerals in it. It has lots of vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A, magnesium, and a lot of antioxidants. So it's really good for your body to eat these Swiss chard because they're so nutrient rich. If you look at these leaves are fabulous. Look at how deep green that is. It's shiny, it's healthy. There are no holes in it at this time. Keep my fingers crossed. And the stalks are this gorgeous red. If you can see this gorgeous red, I'm gonna lift this pot and bring it closer. Look at the gorgeous red on those stems. That's just phenomenal. Now, Swiss chard is a biennial crop, and with biennial crops, they actually stick around for 2 years. The first year, the biennials produce roots, stems, and leaves. And the second year, they produce flowers and fruits and seeds, and then they die. They will overwinter between the first and the second year in the soil. Usually what I do with my Swiss chard is I'll cut them back and use them as annuals. But this year I'm going to do things a little different. I plan to let these overwinter once I get them planted in the ground outside. And then next year when they come up, I'm going to save the seeds on the second year. So I'll do it a little different and see how that goes. I'll let you know. So as you can see, these are absolutely beautiful. The Swiss chard, they're considered to be in the same family as beets. And some people even compare them to kale. But to me, they don't taste anything like kale. They're more beet-like in flavor in terms of being mild. I love these because when you cook them, they cook like greens. When you put them in the pot and you boil them, they quickly boil down and shrink. So you really need quite a few of these in order to get a good sized pot of Swiss chard for your family. So you can eat them that way, or you can prepare them by just washing them and cutting them up and putting them as part of your salad. They make a delicious addition to your salads as well. So there are a lot of reasons to use the Swiss chard. One is for the vitamin and nutrient property. Another one is for the different ways that you can prepare them and eat them because they taste delicious. And 3, because they're biennials, you get a 2-year growing of this. If you let it stay in the ground for the 2nd year, it should come back. They're heat and cold tolerant, which makes them good for the area that I'm in. I'm in zone 6B. So because they're tolerant of heat and cold, they're really ideal to grow in my area. So I encourage you to consider chard, Swiss chard, growing in your garden. If you have things that you're growing in your garden already, let me know in the comments below. What are you growing? And if you've grown Swiss chard before, let me know. And let me know how it came out. When I plant these outside and do my harvest on these, I will bring you along with me. That'll be a little while because I'm still waiting on it to heat up outside. But once I do a harvest, I will bring you with me for that and show you how that goes. In the meantime, this is it for today. You have a wonderful day. This is Henry B 723. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.